CLAT Vocabulary Series, Set 6. Welcome back to Success Studio. In this video, we'll explore 25 new vocabulary words that will boost your confidence and fluency for the CLAT exam. Let's dive into Set 6, another step toward mastering your English power. 1. Adversity. Meaning, a difficult or unpleasant situation. कठिनाई या विपत्ति. Example, he faced adversity with great courage. उसने साहस के साथ कठिनाइयों का सामना किया. 2. Brisk. Meaning, quick and active. तेज और सक्रिय. Example, she took a brisk walk every morning. वह हर सुबह तेज चलती थी. 3. Concur. Meaning, to agree or have the same opinion. सहमत होना. Example, all members concurred with the decision. सभी सदस्य निर्णय से सहमत हुए. 4. Deter. Meaning, to discourage someone from doing something. रोकना या हतोत्साहित करना. Example, strict laws deter crime. कड़े कानून अपराध को रोकते हैं. 5. Endeavor. Meaning, to try hard to achieve something. प्रयास करना. Example, he endeavored to improve his writing skills. उसने अपनी लेखन क्षमता सुधारने का प्रयास किया. 6. Fluctuate. Meaning, to change or vary irregularly. घट बढ़ होना या परिवर्तनशील होना. Example, prices often fluctuate during festivals. त्योहारों में दाम अक्सर बदलते रहते हैं. 7. Gratify. Meaning, to please or satisfy someone. संतुष्ट करना या प्रसन्न करना. Example, his success gratified his parents. उसकी सफलता से उसके माता पिता प्रसन्न हुए. 8. Hostile. Meaning, unfriendly or aggressive. शत्रुतापूर्ण या विरोधी. Example, the two nations were hostile for years. दोनों राष्ट्र वर्षों तक शत्रु रहे. 9. Inevitable. Meaning, certain to happen, unavoidable. अनिवार्य या टालना असंभव. Example, change is inevitable in life. जीवन में परिवर्तन अनिवार्य है. 10. Jargon. Meaning, special words used by a particular group or profession. तकनीकी भाषा या विशेष शब्दावली. Example, legal jargon is difficult to understand. कानूनी शब्दावली समझना कठिन है. 11. Kudos. Meaning, praise or recognition for achievement. सराहना या प्रशंसा. Example, she received kudos for her brilliant work. उसे उसके उत्कृष्ट कार्य के लिए प्रशंसा मिली. 12. Lenient. Meaning, not strict, tolerant. कोमल या नर्म स्वभाव वाला. Example, the teacher was lenient with the students. शिक्षक छात्रों के प्रति नर्म थे. 13. Magnify. Meaning, to make something appear larger or more important. बड़ा दिखाना या बड़ा चढ़ाकर बताना. Example, don't magnify small problems. छोटी बातों को बड़ा चढ़ाकर मत बताओ. 14. Negligent. Meaning, careless and not paying attention. लापरवाह या असावधान. Example, he lost the case due to his negligent attitude. अपनी लापरवाही के कारण उसने केस हार दिया. 15. Optimistic. Meaning, hopeful and confident about the future. आशावादी या सकारात्मक सोच वाला. Example, she remains optimistic despite failures. वह असफलताओं के बावजूद आशावादी रहती है. 16. Ponder. Meaning, to think deeply about something. गहराई से सोचना या मनन करना. Example, he pondered over the question for a long time. वह प्रश्न पर लंबे समय तक सोचता रहा. 17. Refrain. Meaning, to stop oneself from doing something. अपने आप को रोकना. Example, please refrain from making noise. कृपया शोर करने से बचें. 18. Subtle. Meaning, not obvious, delicate or clever. सूक्ष्म या चतुर. Example, there is a subtle difference between the two meanings. दोनों अर्थों में एक सूक्ष्म अंतर है. 19. Tangible. Meaning, that can be touched or clearly seen. स्पष्ट या मूर्त. Example, the evidence must be tangible in court. अदालत में सबूत ठोस होना चाहिए. 20. Unanimous. Meaning, fully in agreement. सर्वसम्मत. Example, the decision was unanimous. निर्णय सर्वसम्मति से लिया गया. 21. Vivid. Meaning, clear, bright, and detailed. स्पष्ट और जीवंत. Example, he gave a vivid description of his journey. उसने अपनी यात्रा का जीवंत वर्णन किया. 22. Witty. Meaning, clever and humorous. बुद्धिमान और मजाकिया. Example, his witty remarks made everyone laugh. उसकी चतुर टिप्पणियों ने सबको हंसा दिया. 23. Yearn. Meaning, to long or desire deeply. लालायित होना या तड़पना. Example, she yearned for her family's love. वह अपने परिवार के प्रेम के लिए तड़पती रही. 24. Zenith. Meaning, the highest point or peak. चरम बिंदु या शिखर. Example, his career reached its zenith last year. पिछले वर्ष उसका करियर अपने चरम पर था. 25. Zest. Meaning, great enthusiasm and energy. जोश और ऊर्जा. Example, he tackled every task with zest. उसने हर काम को उत्साह से किया. Great work. You've just learned 25 new words in Clark Vocabulary Set 6. Keep revising these daily and use them in your conversations and writing. That's the real secret to mastery. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Success Studio. Keep learning, keep shining, and see you in the next set.